Ethan and Lila were brilliant young inventors who loved tackling challenges. Ethan, a 13-year-old prodigy, had a gift for engineering, while Lila, his 12-year-old best friend, excelled in chemistry and design. Together, they dreamed of creating something that could revolutionize how people experienced the world. One summer, they visited Ethan's uncle, a scientist working in a cutting-edge factory. The factory specialized in LCD technology, and the visit sparked their curiosity. Uncle Max explained the process, starting with glass substrates, injecting liquid crystals, and using advanced technology like thin-film transistors, TFTs, for precision. That evening, Ethan and Lila stayed up brainstorming. What if we could make an LCD that uses even less energy but has clearer images? Lila suggested, sketching her ideas on a notebook. Ethan's eyes lit up. Let's build it ourselves. The duo transformed Ethan's garage into a mini laboratory. They sourced glass sheets from a local workshop and used Lila's chemistry set to experiment with liquid crystal mixture. Lila carefully studied Uncle Max's notes on alignment layers, ensuring the crystals would respond accurately to electrical signals. Ethan took the lead on creating miniature TFTs, meticulously drawing the circuits using a DIY photolithography setup made from an old projector. It wasn't easy. They encountered numerous setbacks, glass cracking, circuits shorting, and crystals misaligning. But with each failure, their determination grew. After weeks of hard work, the prototype LCD panel was ready. Unlike traditional screens, their invention was energy efficient, ultra-thin, and had a resolution unmatched by anything available. They decided to test it by connecting it to a small video player. The moment of truth arrived. As they powered it on, a vibrant, crystal-clear image appeared on the screen. Lila jumped in excitement, and Ethan grinned with pride. Their hard work had paid off. News of their invention spread quickly, and Uncle Max invited them to present it at the factory. Scientists were astonished by their innovation, praising the duo for their creativity and persistence. However, instead of patenting the idea for profit, Ethan and Lila decided to share their findings with researchers, hoping to inspire others to push technological boundaries. Moral of the story: innovation requires perseverance, teamwork, and a willingness to learn from failures. Sharing knowledge selflessly can inspire greater advancements for the world.